India has long recognized the challenges faced by women and children in society. In an effort to ensure safety, empowerment, equality, and justice, the nation has undertaken a series of legal reforms. The introduction of 3 new criminal laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, BNS, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, BNSS, and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023, BSA, marks a significant step toward comprehensive crime prevention and victim protection. One of the major changes in the new legal framework is the merging and strengthening of laws related to crimes against women. The punishment for gang rape has been enhanced, ensuring stricter consequences for perpetrators. Additionally, new provisions mandate that victim statements be recorded via audio-video means, ensuring clarity and transparency in investigations. Procedural improvements also include ensuring that a woman magistrate records statements of female victims whenever possible. Furthermore, the new laws grant women the choice to attend or avoid police stations, prioritizing their comfort and security. A major highlight of the BNS is its commitment to gender neutrality. By replacing gender terms with inclusive language, the law now recognizes that both perpetrators and victims can be of any gender. This shift broadens the scope of justice and aligns with progressive global standards. Terms like man and women are replaced by whoever and child. Another critical reform is the introduction of Zero FIR, which allows victims to file a case at any police station, regardless of jurisdiction. This step is aimed at making justice more accessible to victims, especially women and children. However, while these reforms are a welcome change, certain issues remain unaddressed. The exclusion of marital rape as a criminal offense continues to be a topic of legal and social debate. Though the age of consent in marriage has been raised to 18, a significant gap in justice still persists for married women. Despite progressive recommendations from the Justice Verma Committee and landmark court cases, marital rape remains outside the purview of criminal law. This is a pressing issue that requires legislative attention in the future. While these new laws take significant steps towards a more just and equitable society, challenges remain. Ensuring proper implementation and addressing gaps like marital rape will be crucial in India's journey towards justice and equality for all.